What's the meaning of AONB? AONB. 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 AONB.
AONB stands for Area of Outstanding Natural Beauty. It is a designation used in the United Kingdom to identify areas with significant natural beauty, whether it be due to their unique landscapes, flora and fauna, or cultural heritage. AONBs are protected by law to ensure that their natural beauty is maintained, while also allowing for sustainable development in the area. There are currently 46 AONBs in the UK, covering approximately 18% of the country's land area. They are recognized for their important role in maintaining biodiversity, supporting local economies, and providing recreational opportunities for visitors.